Okay, guys, we have a tornado warning. Let's see them on my screen. Now, there's a tornado. Now you can barely see the clouds. There's wheels right there. I look like a UFO right there. You can barely see that things are getting stranger and stranger. So I'm gonna try to make it record of the things watching everywhere. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. Everything is everything. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. Okay, so everything's flying. So, now our winds are coming, so there's starting to go off. Woo! 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 Come on, it's not working. Oh. Hold on. Something's wrong. Dang it. I hate this. Siren's not working. I'm frustrated. Huh? Siren's not working. I'm frustrated. I don't know why. I'm frustrated. What the?
What?
The mailbox. It just.
Oh no! We gotta go get it.
Oh no. It's a windy day because there's tornado warning. Tornado is on the ground. Tornado is on the ground. It's on the ground right now.
Oh no!
So there's tornado warning. It's on the ground. Tornado is on the ground. Tornado is on the ground. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mom, can you check the weather when we get inside? What's going to be like today?
It just says windy. I just checked it.
Oh yeah. It's going to be windy today because, well, tornado. Lights still work. Still work. Alright. That was crazy.
That was not good.
Yeah. That was tornado warning.
Now get back up on the chair, please.
Sirens are sounding. My dad has to take my siren in the back off. He needs to take it up. I hate that siren. It's annoying. Guys, comment down below what is wrong with my siren, my mini siren, because everything is literally wrong. Yeah, I'm just saying. It's right there. What? Can I even record it? Oh, there it is. It is not working, Daddy. The wire's broken. I threw the battery. And I was so frustrated. Everything that I done. Everything. I just hate it. And now. Tornado! Oh, I forgot to zoom in. I forgot to zoom out. I know it kind of says peacock. It says, it does not say peacock. So, everything is, oh, I think we should bring, I think I forgot to bring my model too. or my Cyclone 120, or my cute little siren. Hold on, let me find the battery. I'm gonna. So hold on, let me find the battery for it. Oh, there it is. What? Don't fall, you dirty-looking tornado. Hey. So that was crazy. So the wind was crazy. Now everything is completely dropped down. So, wind is so fun. I am a scientist of tornadoes. I just still don't understand of that siren. I don't understand. I just still don't understand about that. I hate it. I hate it. Not working. And I don't love it. Dad, can you please fix it when it's Saturday? Kids or grown-ups. I know you're not a dad, but I'm talking to my dad. So whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Tornado warning. I don't see it yet. Did I just hear like a... It sounded like somebody saying the H. I don't know. I just still don't understand. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? I mean, huh? Hold on. Huh? Huh? I lose my mind. I just don't understand. I just still don't understand. Why is the siren not working?